terrain. Pull up, pull up.
Hey guys, welcome back to Skyclan RC. So today we have one of the biggest airplanes we have ever built. It has a wingspan of about 2 meters. We are here in where? Sea grounds. So we are in the sea grounds, Mangalore sea ground, and it's basically a beach. So we are gonna either drown the airplane or fly it. We have no idea. We tried replicating or scaling down the ATR, one of the beautiful commercial airplanes, a turboprop commercial airplane. So ATR has 4 props, but our motors were not sufficient enough to give enough thrust, so we had to go for 4 drone motors. So we have 4 motors which can give roughly around 3000 grams of thrust on full throttle. So this is a basic 4-channel aircraft with 1 extra channel for flaps and spoilers. We have flaps and spoilers for same channel. And the battery is 3 cell 6000 mAh 30C. So it's gonna have some enough power to hopefully take off. So now we are gonna try to take it off. So guys, we are gonna try to attempt it to fly now. We have enough power.
Midnight gin and juice, was the truth. Madness when we could, all misunderstood. We made Hollywood. Now we've been rising higher. We stumble through the power. We laugh 'cause we surprised ya. Pop the champagne, start a fire. We made it, we made it. Put your hands up, raise them higher. We made it, yeah. We're on top of the world. We're on top of the world. We're on top of the world. It ain't never gonna be enough. It ain't never gonna be enough. It ain't never gonna be enough.
Are you guys happy for our 4 months of work? Calvin and Nihal.
Yes, absolutely, very happy.
So I think Nihal and Calvin are really happy here. What do you say, Nihal?
Very good.
What about you, Calvin?
I was really doubting that it would fly, and so much wind. It flew beautifully, and the first time I'm seeing winter land so beautifully.
Oh, and thanks to Pavit for telling us about this beautiful place here. Thanks, man. So it was a beautiful flight, guys. Hope you guys liked the video. Please like and share the video. It's been a long time we haven't uploaded, but we were working on some other things, so we couldn't do that. So thank you for watching. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. Yeah, see you in the next one.